my name is Kaylee. We engineered this. A hexagon with art inside of it. We planned it by finding the shape of the ground. Like, we found the sandy background, and then we wanted to start using materials like sticks, leaves, and pine cones. Now we planned out how we were going to do the colors, like how we were going to lay out the colors. Like green, we did green on the outside, brown and orange on the outside, red, and then pine cones for like a triangle symboling the 3 people person. And then we just put it together, seeing how it would turn out. Then we were gonna like move it around a little bit. So we did, and we said that's not gonna work out as we were planning. So we moved it back to where we were gonna plan it out as, and then we put green on the outside, orange, brown, red, and pine cones in the middle. And that is how we built the triangle, the hexagon. What I like about engineering is how you can use nature, pieces, parts, anything really.